Early Childhood Development Programs, also called ECDP, assist children of all abilities to ease into kindergarten and elementary school while building the foundation for a love of learning and positive school experiences. ECDP is a half-day optional program that takes place in the year prior to kindergarten. The children that are eligible for the 2021-2022 school year are those that were born in 2017. We are an inclusive division where children of all abilities are welcomed into our classrooms. While in ECDP, children are in a language-rich, play-based environment where they begin making sense of the world around them, thinking, innovating, negotiating, and taking risks. It is important to note that there are fees associated with ECDP and that parents are responsible for all transportation. Please visit our website, FMPSDschools.ca, to get more information about registering your child for the next school year, as well as our virtual open house taking place on March 4th and 5th.